Good afternoon, dear children. Welcome to the online classes. So this is the lines and angles chapter. So in your previous class we have studied about the definitions of different basic concepts, that is point, line segment, ray, and these are all things you have studied. Okay, now and also you have studied about the types of angles. So that is acute, obtuse, right angles, and those are all the definitions you have studied. So today in this class we shall move through them another one type of angle, that is adjacent angle. So what is adjacent angle? So adjacent means, here see, observe this, try these examples of the problems. So these type of angles, okay, adjusting angles are called adjacent angles. Here the definition is given that, so there are some common some conditions are there, it having only one common vertex and common arm but not common interior angles. So this type of angles are called adjacent angles. So this is the definition of adjacent angles, children. Adjacent angles have a common vertex and a common arm but not common interior points. Okay, this is the definition of adjacent angle, and take down, this is the example of adjacent angle. Okay, now we move on through the linear pair of angles. Here a linear pair is a pair adjacent. So a linear pair is a pair of adjacent angles whose non-common sides are opposite rays. So this is the linear pair. So this is the example of linear pair of angles. So because of this angles, when sum of these two angles you get the 180 degrees. So this is called linear pair of angles. Okay. So this is another one type of angle, children, vertically opposite angles. Here see, observe, this is angle A, this is angle B. So these type of angles are called vertical opposite angles. Okay, now we move on through the transversal. So transversals means what? Here see, observing these figures, children, here the parallel lines one crossing the line here and here also. So this is the crossing line of these two parallel lines. Okay, this type of crossing line is called transversal. So what is the definition is given that, so this is a line that intersect two or more lines at a distinct point is called a transversal. And here we see some different types of angles in those type of transversal lines. Here see, this is the transversal line example. So according to this figure we have to see some different structure of that formatting of the figure. See, observing this figure and this one, they having F-like structure of the diagram. So these type of figures are called corresponding angles, and these angles is called corresponding angles. So observing this coloring figure and angle, so these are called corresponding angles. Okay, and now we move on through the another one type of angles, that is alternative angle. Alternative angles means, here represent the letter forming, that is Z shape. See, observing this one, so this type of shape is called alternative angles. Okay, here we see some of interior angles of alternative angles. So observing in this figure, so this is 5, 7, 6 and 8, these are the alternative interior angle because of this having Z shape. Okay, so these are called alternative angles. So this figure is neatly explained to you, children. So how it looks like this, the angle 1 and angle 2. So when observing neatly, so this like this diagram it will be shows that you here angle 1 is equals to angle 2. So because of alternative angle are always equal. Okay, this is called alternative interior angles. And these are the corresponding angles, children. Here represents that F structure. Okay, so these type of lines are called and angles are called corresponding angles. And here another one more of alternative exterior angles, children. So observing, so this is A, B, G, H. So these are the alternative exterior angles. Okay, now we move on through the discussed about some problems. So related to this linear pair and also which one, that is adjacent angles. Okay, here this question is 10th question here, indicate which pairs of angles are so vertically opposite angles. So first question answer is it having 1 and 4 and 5 is equals to 2 plus 3 because of, so when observing this figure 1 and 4, so 1, 4, these are the two vertical opposite angles, and also here 5 indicates that these two angles. So that's why here write it the vertical opposite angles. And we move on to the second question, linear pair. So linear pair is here 1 and 5. So observing this is one pair of linear pair of angles and 5 and 4. So when observing this one 5 and 4, so this like shows that you linear pair of angles. That's why we are given that two pairs of linear pair of angles. And here now we move on through the 11th question. So when observing this figure, so this is Z shape angles, figure is there. Here angle 1 is adjacent to angle 2, no, because of here no, their vertex is common. So common no vertex illa, adukoskara this is are not adjacent angles. Okay, and next we move on through the second 12th question, that is find the values of x and y in Z and in each of the following case. Here first figure, here this is the x. Okay, when observing this one, so x is equals to 55 degree because of y, these are the vertical opposite angles. So this is shows that you, so vertical opposite angles. Then now 55 degree plus y, so because of y, these are the linear pair of angles. That's why you get that answer. So 55 degree plus y equals 180 degree, and then y is equals to 180 degree minus 55 degree, you get that answer is 125 degree. Because of 55 minus ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, so 180 ಅಲ್ಲಿ, so then you get the answer is y is equals to 125 degree. And here also you write it y is equals to z because of these are the vertically opposite angles. Now so x is equals to 55 degree, y is equal to 125 degree, and z is equals to 125 degree. So this like you just find out the angles of x, y and z. Okay, now we move on through the second figure. So this one, children, so this one, when using this one you find out the angles of x, y and z. So now we move on through here. So second question, here having 40 plus x plus z, these having that 180 degree because of angles in a straight line. So when 40 plus 25 you add it, that is you get the 65 degree plus x, you get that 180 degree. Now you transfer it 65 degree from right side, you get that 180 minus 65. So you get the value of x is 115 degree. And here also 40 degree plus y is equals to 180 degree, because of these are the linear pair. So that's why, so here statement is writing. Now, so y is equals to 180 degree minus 40 degree, you get that 140 degree. So when these two get, so here y plus z, and here y plus z equals 180 degree because of linear pair. So when observing this one, so y plus z, here y you get that 140, and that's why you substitute here y place and z. So z is equals to 180 minus 140, you get the answer is 40 degree. Now you finally find out that answer x, y and z. Okay, this type you do the answers, children. So this is enough. So in the next class we will continue the another one type of problems, children. Thank you for listening the